And it goes a little something like
Hello everyone, my name is Donna, aka Sour.Castic, and welcome to my channel. Today we're actually going to be unboxing an advent calendar. Well, as far as I think it's an advent calendar. It's actually a special gift for myself, advance. And this is actually from Funko Pop. The name is Beware 13 Days Spooky Countdown. And this is like a smaller version of the Funko Pop, so they call it Funko Pocket Pop. And it comes in different types. They have it for Harry Potter fans, Marvel, Dragon Ball Z, and for all Tim Burton fans out there. Hi. Like me, I'm actually a Tim Burton fan. They have it as a Nightmare Before Christmas. Yes, you heard that right. I saw that in the shop and it looks really, really nice. The packaging, perfect. I wanted to buy that one, but I was kind of thinking like, okay, I wanted more varieties of toys. And this was actually my first choice too, so I went to this bad boy. Hey, but who knows? There's still Christmas next year. I might probably get that one next year. But who knows? We'll see. And I bought this from Amazon since they didn't have it in the shop. This cost around 30 euro. And I think it's around 30 euro. And I think it will be the same in the shops, in some shops. And I bought myself this year an advent calendar because I wasn't able to make myself last year one. So I'm kind of giving myself a treat this coming Christmas. So regarding the box, this is the front packaging. The packaging is actually really nice. And from behind, you can see all the goodies that you can get. Annabelle, It, Little Shop of Horrors, The Shining, The Nun, Beetlejuice, The Exorcist, A Nightmare on Elm Street, Friday the 13th, and The Lost Boys. I'm actually really excited about Beetlejuice. And what's actually interesting about this product here is it says 13, right? But I actually read on some vlogs and saw some photos that it's possible in one window to get 2 toys. So instead of getting 13, you actually get 14 toys. Maybe I'll get lucky this time. But yeah, fingers crossed. The 2 toys are actually from the movie The Shining. You know, the twin sisters? They're actually sometimes in just one window. So I'm hoping I get them. And yeah, let's start unpackaging or unboxing the product. Just pull it there. Ooh, look at that. A graveyard. It actually looks really nice, that I can tell you. And I was already thinking like, it's a shame that I have to throw the box after I get all the product or after I get all the goodies. Like, what should I do with the box? So if anyone out there who has any ideas how I can reuse the box, or any ideas how I can recycle them, please comment below and share. I'll be happy to reuse this and recycle. So inside, there's all the windows where you get all the toys. And yeah, I guess let's start unboxing.
One eternity later.
So, starting with number 1, you just have to push it here. Okay. Oh, God. I'm excited to open this one. Oh, look. It's Freddy Krueger. Is that his name? Is that his name? Is that even right? The thing is really nice. I don't know if you can see it clear. Skin perfectly there. So, okay, that's actually interesting to get. I saw in some vlogs that I always get Freddy Krueger first. So, I got that again. So, that's Freddy Krueger, first one. Again. And number 2. Why is it hard to open? 2 Ta-da! Oh my god, it's from Beetlejuice. Lydia. Oh god, I love this. In a red wedding dress. If anyone knows the movie, look, this is what you'll get. Lydia Deeds in a wedding gown. I think they have it in two versions. I'm not sure, but the one is like she has a veil in the front. I think so. But yeah, I'm happy with this one. It's actually this big. I don't know what I can use as a reference for the height or for the like how big it is, but yeah, that's how it is. So that's number 2. Number 3. I'm like a little kid here opening gifts. Oh, it's the axe guy. I think he's from The Shining. Not sure, but I guess he's from The Shining. With blood, with some blood. There's blood everywhere. Sorry, my camera is not that good. So look, there's blood everywhere. So from the first one, the second one, the third one, this is what I got. Freddy, Lydia Deeds, and from The Shining. So let's continue to number 4. Ooh, it's from the movie Eat. The crazy balloon, the crazy clown guy. It's cute. What is he even holding there? I'm not even sure what he's holding there, but it looks cute. So that's the 4th one. Going to the 5th one. I hope it's The Shining. The twin sisters. Oh no, who is this one? Okay, so I don't know this guy. I'm just gonna guess he's from, I have to look at the package. The Little Shop of Horrors, I guess. Or The Lost Boys. Well, I'm guessing he's from The Lost Boys because he's a boy. I'm not sure, but he looks good. He's a vampire with blood in the mouth. So, that's number 5. Continue to number 6 window. This is from, why I didn't get any scissor? Oh my god. Okay, so I think everyone knows her. She's from the movie Exorcist. Well, honestly, guys, the quality of the toys are really good. I was expecting kind of like the toys are bad because they're smaller, but quality is really good, that I can tell you. Details, perfect. From the back. Excuse my nails. I haven't fixed them. So, continuing to number 7. What's this one? Ah, Freddy Krueger's enemy. Right? What's his name? Jason? Yeah, I think it's Jason. Freddy Krueger's enemy. They're gonna be fighting later. So that's number 7. Number 8. Yeah. Number 8. What's this? Oh! Oh! Ooh, 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 ooh. Look who I got. The 2 little Beetlejuice character. It's really cute. I actually wanted a bigger version of this guy here, but sadly they are all sold out. I was going from shop to shop trying to get the Funko Pop Beetlejuice, but sadly I only got the Lydia Deeds, which I'm still very happy about it, but I'm hoping I get the big one from this guy. So let's continue to number 9. Sorry. Wow. Oh, who's this one? Oh, Annabelle. I never watched the movie. I have never seen the movie. But the toy looks interesting. It looks nice. Oh, sorry. It looks nice. So, sitting on a chair. So, that's number 9. Going to number 10. And what's this one? I'm guessing this is not from Plants vs. Zombies, right? They don't have it. So I'm guessing from the packaging, it's from the Little Shop of Horrors, I think. It's a plant. A Venus flytrap, I guess. So that's a plant. The first time I saw it, I thought it was Plant vs. Zombies or what? Why is it here? So going to number 11. Come, give me The Shining. I'm hoping for The Shining. Okay, this is from the Nun. The Scary Nun. I've seen the movie. It's really good and really crazy. So that's The Nun. Okay, 2 more to go. Number 12 and number 13, the last 2. Oh, God. It's the Crazy Clown again, guys. The Crazy Clown. It holding a small... It looks like a lollipop, but it's a balloon. It looks like a lollipop, but it's a balloon, I know. It's cute. So, last but not the least, 13, Knock Knock. Oh, God. Guys, I got 2. Oh, God. Oh, 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 look at this, who I got. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, ha. I got the twin sisters. My day is complete. My Christmas is complete. Look at them. Look at them. So, is that overall comment about the toy or the product? I would say that this is a perfect gift for all horror fans out there. I think they would really love it. And it's just like, I think most comments that I've read for people who bought the same item is like they're just kind of disappointed because they have to get the same as me, the 2 from the Eat. The Shining is normal because they're twin sisters, but like, come on, should have been better, you know. But yeah, what's done is done. It's all good. I'm really happy with the toys. Again, I got the Venus flytrap. Let me just put this box down. Annabelle from the Lost Boys, from The Shining, and from Beetle fans out there. This one, there's 2 people here, see? And Freddy Krueger enemies, so, and the 2 monsters here. So, I hope you liked the video. Please comment below what you think about this stuff here. And don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye!